I'm Karen with Traders Hill Farm, and I'm here with my friend Abby, and today we're going to do an unboxing video of two boxes, our wellness salad box and our fresh veggie box. So in this week's fresh wellness salad box, we have our butterhead lettuce, we have green peppers, beefsteak tomatoes, onions, and cucumbers. And our fun ingredient this week is baby pak choy. Have you ever had baby pak choy?
I have not had it in a salad, so that'll be something exciting to try.
I love it. And the great thing about all of our vegetables, including our baby pak choy, is these vegetables are harvested within 24 to 48 hours of being delivered to your doorstep, which means they're retaining their vitamins, minerals, all the great nutrients that you love in vegetables. All right, so you got your fresh veggie box delivered to your doorstep. Let's tell everybody what's inside.
Well, it's got a few more items than the wellness salad box.
Yep, it's our biggest box.
Okay, well that's great. We have the butterhead lettuce, which everyone loves.
Everybody
it's
loves
so
that.
good. Yes, the butterhead lettuce. There's a head of cabbage. It looks like there's some green beans, yellow squash, bell pepper, tomato, sweet onion, and of course the cucumbers.
So what are you most excited about?
Well, I like to take yellow squash and saute it in a little bit of butter with the onion and a little salt and pepper. It's really good.
That sounds delicious. All right, folks, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next week.